Hello everyone, welcome to our channel once again. Today we are going to be talking about how you can create a sales invoice on Barakah Suite. Now once you log onto your account and it brings you to your dashboard like you can see here, you go to this left panel and you select accounting. After selecting accounting, you go down to sales, then sales invoices, and you click on sales invoices. Now you can see that after selecting sales invoices, it takes you to the whole account. It opens the whole accounting panel where you have charts of accounts, fiscal years, customers, suppliers, sales invoices, POS transactions, purchase invoices, payments, requisitions, journal entries, tax, financial statements, supplier bank, and way bills. To create a new sales invoice, you click on this plus sign right here. But before we do that, let's take a look at the interface for creating a new sales invoice. We have all statuses where you can see the different status of all invoices that has been created. We have a search bar that helps you to search for a customer by the customer name or by description. We have a refresh button. We have an export button, CSV format, and we have an import button, CSV format as well. Then here we have the new sales invoice button. Now you can see the table on there. We have invoice, customer addresses, and what have you. Then we have the icon here that when you click on it, it shows you the information of an invoice that has already been created. Now, let's move to creating a new sales invoice. You click on the plus button. You put in your description. Then you select the customer. Mind you, make sure you have added your customers to your Barakah Suite accounts before you start creating invoices, so that when you want to create an invoice, you can select the customer you want to create that particular invoice for. Now, after selecting the customers, you move on to this line items. You select the item you want to sell. You input the quantity you want to sell for that particular item. The unit price automatically comes up the moment you select the item. You should have noticed that. And you can see that the total amount that you are going to pay has already been calculated and finalized as 40,000. Now we have a line for tax where you can add your tax to that particular item. You can either select a 15% tax of VAT, 7.5%, or WHT. Now all these taxes were added from the tax module. So you should go through our YouTube page and you'll see a video of how you can add your various taxes to your Barakah Suite account. You can add a tax per line, and you can also apply to all lines or clear taxes from all lines from here. You can select the due date for the invoice, and you can add additional notes here, usually like payment details, bank accounts, and so on. Thank you for patronizing us. Something like that can go into the notes. Once you are done with that, you click on create invoice, and you can see your invoice has been created. Balance due 40,000 and it's in draft. Now make sure for your invoice to become valid, you click on this eye icon and you click on submit. And once you've done this, your invoice has been submitted, and you can either preview this invoice this way, download a PDF to send to your customer, or you can print the invoice to issue to your customer. You can also send via email. You can duplicate the invoice. You can edit the invoice here, and you can cancel and delete the invoice here. Once payment comes, you can record your payment here on the invoice. Check through our channel and you'll find a video on how you can record a payment on an invoice on Barakah Suite. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for now on how you can create an invoice on Barakah Suite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on Barakah Suite. Assalamu alaikum.
Barakah Suite. One platform, one ecosystem, endless opportunities.